3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。上晝8點，強烈熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港東南，大約230公里，即係北緯20.7度、東經嘅5.6度附近。預料向西北或西北偏北移動，時速約10公里，靠近珠江口以西一帶。受尼格同東北季候風嘅共同影響，現時本港普遍吹強風，高地間中吹烈風，3號強風信號會喺中午前維持。雖然尼格會逐漸減弱，但佢減弱速度仍然存在變數。按照最新預測路徑，尼格會喺今日稍後非常接近珠江口一帶，喺本港以南大約150公里以內掠過。屆時本港將由吹偏北風逐漸轉為吹東風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，本港風勢將進一步增強。天文台會考慮喺正午12點至下晝2點之間發出8號烈風或暴風信號。預料受尼格嘅外圍雨帶影響，本港雨勢會漸轉頻密，海面有非常大浪同湧浪。市民應該遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、長洲同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時71、55同45公里，最高陣風分別每小時82、80同55公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 8 a.m., severe tropical storm Nalgae was estimated to be about 230 km southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 20.7 degrees north, 115.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest or north-northwest at about 10 km per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the area, to the west of the Pearl River estuary. Under the combined effect of Nalgae and the northeast monsoon, local winds are generally strong, with occasional gales on high ground. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force before noon. Although Nalgae will weaken gradually, its degree of weakening remains uncertain. According to the latest forecast track, Nalgae will be very close to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary later today, skirting within around 150 kilometers to the south of the territory. Local winds will then change gradually from northerlies to easterlies. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Local winds will strengthen further. The observatory will consider issuing the number 8 gale or storm signal between noon and 2 p.m. Under the influence of the outer rain bands of Nalgae, showers over the territory are expected to become more frequent. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Choon Show and Wedlin Island were 71, 55 and 45 km per hour, with maximum gusts 82, 80 and 55 km per hour respectively.